Friends, today's video number 19 is a case study how to convert sales register into journal entry format. In continuation with my earlier video number 16 and 18, where I have taken how to do accounting of small business who do not maintain sales and purchase register, as there is no credit involved in the business. Now in this video, I will show you how to convert sales register into journal entry form so that we can append the data below the day book, which I showed you in my video number 16 and 18. Once data is included in the day book, we can generate various reports such as trial balance, ledger accounts, and annual account. Now you can see a sales register appeared in the screen. I have already converted the sales register into a table form. Now I will load this table into Power Query editor. For that, I will use the menu data from table, and my data is loaded into Power Query editor. Now I will change date format from date and time to date. Replace current. Now I will select first three columns and use right click, and I'll use unpivot other columns. Now we need this data like a journal entry. So I will add two columns to this data. In the first column, I will transfer credit items amount such as bill amount, then GST amount, and in second column I will transfer only bill amount chargeable to the customer. For that, I will use add column and conditional column. My column name will be payments column name. If column name attribute equal to this total, then my output will be column value, otherwise 0. Okay, my payment is ready. Now for receipt, I will do I'll reduce this payment from value. For that, I will select value, then I'll put control, and then payment. I'll use add column, then in standard I'll use subtract. My receipts are ready. Receipts column. So my column name will be receipts. I will remove this value column. Now we need to replace all the account heads. For that, I will use add column and then conditional column. My column name will be account head. In column name, I will select attribute. In operator equal will be there. In value, I will select bill amount. My output will be professional fees received. I will add clause again in attribute equal to SGST. My output will be SGST output. I'll add clause. I'll select attributes equal to CGST. My output will be CGST output. I'll add clause. I'll select attribute equal to IGST, then my output will be IGST output. If attribute equal to total, then instead of writing anything, I will select column as name of the party. Otherwise, we'll select null and OK. My account head is ready. Now I don't want these two columns, so I'll remove the columns. Now, as per our format, we need two more columns. So I'll add column and custom column. First column name I'll give as type, and in column format I'll write sales and I'll select OK. I'll use narration and I'll put nothing. I'll say OK and I will shift this type as a first column. Then I need date. Instead of bill column, there is a column called reference. Then I will shift narration, then account head, then receipts and payment. I will change this text into decimal format. My sales journal entries are ready. I will close and load this data and my sales register is ready. I hope you like this video. If yes, please like my video and subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification immediately. Your comments and suggestions will be appreciated. I wish you happy learning. Thank you.